This video will demonstrate the steps necessary to successfully download the embroidery designs using the redemption code that can be found inside your packaging. The first thing that you'll need to do after you've located your redemption card is to navigate to the Lunchbox Quilts website. There are three ways to get to the redeem product page. The first way is you can simply type in www.lunchboxquilts.com/dd, hit return, and that will take you to the redemption page. The other way to do it is to go to products, redeem product at the bottom of the page, left click enter, and it will take you to the redemption page. The easiest way is just to navigate to the home page and click on redeem product. Once you're on the redeem product page, you'll see the page that looks like this. It has the redemption code. What you'll need to do is make sure you have this card with the redemption code on it. You'll simply type in the redemption code in the redemption code box. You need to make sure that you have all the numbers and letters correct. It will fill in the dashes for you. Remember that a 0 has a slash through the symbol and the O does not have a slash through the symbol. You type in your first and last name, type in your email address. We ask that you type in the email address a second time to make sure there's no typographical errors, because you will be receiving an email with a permanent link to be able to download the embroidery files whenever you want. The optional field is the shop purchase from. Read through the terms. You must click to agree to the above terms. This is required. This form also gives you the opportunity to sign up for the Lunchbox Quilts newsletters. After all of the items here are complete, simply click on the redeem. After clicking on redeem, this will bring you to the download page. You should see a picture of the product that you are attempting to download, as well as the name. For the purposes of this video, this is a demo release of Sail Away. You can see that there are specific instructions on how to accomplish this, but it really is quite easy. All you do is click on Download Files. For this example, we're using the Chrome browser. In the Chrome browser, the downloads show up at the bottom of the Chrome window. You can see that the Sail Away zip file has successfully downloaded, and we're simply going to left click and drag the zip file to our desktop. Now we'll see that same process using the Firefox browser. You can see that we're at the same digital product delivery page. We've completed all the information and we're simply going to click on Download Files. This dialog box will come up. Make sure that the radio button for Save File is selected. Click OK. You can see up here that in the Firefox browser, this is where the downloads happen. You can see that by clicking on the download arrow, this will give us the location of the file that we just downloaded, the Sail Away zip. Once again, we will left click and drag this file to our desktop. Now let's look at that same process using Internet Explorer. Once again, we are on the Demo Sail Away download page. Click on Download Files. In Internet Explorer, though, you will see that the download area is at the bottom of the screen. We want to say Save. Click on View Downloads. This will bring up the download folder. If we click on Ctrl-J, you can see that this will open up the download folder. Then we can click on Open and simply drag the zip file to our desktop. Okay, so let's say that for some reason you closed your browser window before the download was completed, or you moved on to another window, or something else happened that didn't allow you to complete it, and now you do not know where the files that you just downloaded went. Well, it's very simple to be able to locate them. If you didn't get them copied to your desktop, you can simply open a browser window and click on Ctrl-J simultaneously, and that will bring you to the download directory. It will bring you to the default location where any of your files have been downloaded. From there, you just simply need to do the same process of left click and drag it to your desktop. In this case, we're going to say skip this file because we already have that file on our particular desktop. Okay, now that we've downloaded the file to our desktop, you can see that we have the zip file located on our desktop here. We need to extract the zip file so that we can access those files and open them in the embroidery program that you may be using, or you want to have them in a separate folder so that you can either drag them or use whatever software you want to get it to your USB stick or computer to embroidery machine, whatever method you're going to use. It's very simple. All you do is hover over the icon, right click it, click extract all. It will ask you where you want the folder to be extracted to. For our purposes, we're just going to leave it on the desktop here and then left click on extract. You can see it will go through the process, and it has opened the browser window so we can access each one of the directories. It includes the embroidery files. We're going to close that, and you can see that we have a folder located on our desktop, which is the same folder here. We can access everything. We can get into the specific directories. We can copy and do whatever we want with the files now to get them to our embroidery machine to start sewing. If after watching the video you're still having difficulties, or you're getting some kind of error code in filling out the form, or you just can't seem to get it completed, please navigate back to the redemption code page using the methods that outlined in the beginning of this video, and simply click on the redemption code support form. Here you will be given a form to fill out, which will provide all the information that we need to be able to troubleshoot and get back to you as quickly as possible with a solution. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being a loyal customer.